My nose is now 1 year old, mga dear. So let's talk about it. Today we celebrate my nose first anniversary because she just turned 1 year old. Pwede na siya mag-grade 1. Check out. If you guys still don't know, I got my rhinoplasty done exactly 1 year ago today. And this is what it looks like now. For context, this is my nose before. Yeah. Yes, period. And this is my nose now. Period. So just a quick refresh, mga dear. I got my nose done here in BGC at One Adela Medical Group. They're originally from Cebu, but they have branch here in BGC. So that's where I got my nose done. A lot has changed during the whole year. So kung mapapansin nyo, nagbago talaga yung itsura ko from my before picture to now. Also, same time last year, I got my Jotox done. That's why medyo nag-slim down yung face ko. And also, same year, last year then, I got my veneers done sa Wanadala Dental naman, which is same location lang here in BGC. Let's talk about my nose kasi birthday niya ngayon. Uy! Actually, ang nose is parang 2 to 3 years until it's fully healed. But we can consider it now na fully healed. Na ito na yung, ito na yung itsura niya talaga. Like, di na siya mababago based on my research. Yeah. And honestly, I really, really love my nose looks like now. Pero, cute din siya before nung magaba. Pero ngayon, it looks so natural na parang ito na yung ilong ko mula nung bata pa ako. And what I like about it, it's so sturdy. Like, nagagalaw mo na siya. Pero, still, ingat pa rin, dear. Yeah. Genuinely, I'm so happy with my nose right now. Like, this is what I dream for. Like, literally, like, nung bagets pa talaga ako. Like, nung bata ko, nasa salamin pa ako, pinipinch ko pa talaga yung ilong ko. And I was like, oh my God, gusto ko nang get ako pointed na ilong. And now that it's here, and it's not going anywhere, however, I just got a little problem lang. But this is completely my fault na I got a keloid on my ears kung saan nag-harvest ng cartilage for my tip and also keloid din to. So, that's completely my fault. Naging pabaya ako maglagay ng scar gel after kung ma-fantasy yung ilong ko na okay na. So, yon, another tip. Don't forget your scar gel para di kayo matulad sa akin. And yeah, I'm planning to get this removed na, this keloid and this one. Medyo, it doesn't look cute, mama. Mukha siyang earbuds. Minsan, binibiro ko na lang na turn off button kaya pag pinindot reset. Hala, ang tagal na loob. So yeah, that's the update of my noseversary. And hindi pa tapos yung glow up natin dear dahil may mga proyekto pa tayong dapat gawin. Check. Let me know if you have more questions regarding my nose or kung ano mang mga tanong nyo curious about. Let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer them. And yeah, yun lang. Thank you guys so much. Bye! Mwah.